All right, in this video today, we're going to be talking about how to use the style editor in Squarespace, otherwise known as Site Styles. They've recently changed the name. So I am logged into my Squarespace website. I'm in the back end. You can see my menu items over here. So in order to get to the Site Styles or Style Editor, we're going to click on Design, and you'll see the menu item right here for Site Styles. Now, this did used to be called Style Editor. I personally think it's a little bit of a better name, but regardless, this is how you get to the place where you can edit pretty much anything style-wise about your website from this panel. So when you log in the first time, it will pull up the options that are available based on whatever page you're currently selected on your Squarespace website. So you will see there's some options for site, border, loading. Now these options will be different based on the template that you're in, regarding, whatever options are with that template specifically. So it can get quite lengthy, and sometimes it's a little difficult to know exactly what these things are referencing. So my favorite way to go about editing styles in my Squarespace website is to just click on what I want to edit. Let's say I want to change the color of this text or maybe the size. I just click on that and it will default me over here in the side menu exactly what I just clicked on. So what I clicked on is heading 1 text, and you can see here that you can change the font, the style, you can change all sorts of things about it, and you can also change the color. So if I wanted to maybe change the style of this button, I would click on that, and then you would see the button block medium style options come up, and then I can go ahead and change the look of the button based on what is available to me through the style editor, change the color, etc. So if you want to go to a different page, maybe you want to edit some stuff about around your blog, you just click on that page. So that page opens. And this is actually just a regular page on my site. Let's actually click on a blog post. And then if you go back into Site Styles, some additional things may show up in the bottom that are relevant to an actual blog post. So if what you're seeing is not available over in the side, just go to the page that you want to actually change so that you can click on whatever it is that you're wanting to change, and you'll see that show up in the options over to the side. So it's really fun to play around with. You can change all sorts of different things through the site styles. And again, clicking on exactly what you want to change and then having it pull up is a really handy, easy way for you to know that you are changing exactly what you want to change on your website. So I hope you found that helpful. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.